How to check your battery health report in Windows 11. This tutorial shows you how to generate a detailed report using the built-in command prompt. First, press the Windows key and type CMD in the search bar. From there, right-click on Command Prompt and select Run as Administrator. After that, type powercfg/battery report and press Enter. At this point, the report will be generated instantly, and a file path will appear in the prompt, usually something like c users your name/battery-report.html. From here, open File Explorer, navigate to that exact location, and double-click the battery-report.html file to open it in your browser. Following this, once the report opens, scroll down to the Installed Batteries section. After that, you'll see two key figures side by side. The first is design capacity, which is how much power your battery could hold when it was brand new. The second is full charge capacity, which is how much it can actually hold right now. From here, to calculate your battery health percentage, divide the full charge capacity by the design capacity and multiply by 100. Finally, the closer that number is to 100, the healthier your battery is, and anything significantly lower means your battery has degraded over time. That's how you check your battery health in Windows 11. If this was helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more tutorials, and ring the bell so you don't miss the next one. Catch you then!